Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an AI hug video. So I'll tell you what is app called at the end of the video. So click on the AI tools right here, then couple video hugging, choose two different images right here. The photo I use are AI generated, so click create right here, and it will take one minute or maybe 2 and 3 to make this video. So hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching. The app called AI Video on the App Store or Play Market. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.